Welcome to Understand the Math. I'm going to show you exactly how to verify this trig identity. In this problem, our left-hand side is more complicated than our right-hand side. So let's go ahead and let's write both secant and tangent in terms of sine and cosine. So we know that secant x is 1 divided by cosine x, and tangent x is sine x divided by cosine x. So on our left-hand side, we have 1 divided by cosine x plus sine x divided by cosine x. In our denominator, we have 1 divided by cosine x minus sine x divided by cosine x. And you can already see it's starting to look like our right-hand side. Let's notice on the left-hand side that each term is divided by cosine x. So we can multiply, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of our equal sign here. We can multiply the top by cosine x and the bottom by cosine x. So this gives us 1 plus sine x, all divided by 1 minus sine x. And that's equal to our right-hand side.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.